It gets the dirt out of your socks better than any bleach. No fancy detergent pod from a commercial will whiten your socks like this old-school trick from Grandma. White socks lose their brightness fast. Stains and dirt build up, and nothing seems to help. But I've got a method that really works. Grab a large glass container and toss in your dirty socks. Add a tablespoon of salt. It acts as a natural whitener and softens the water to boost cleaning power. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda to fight odors and help lift stains. Pour in some dish soap to break down grease and work as a gentle degreaser. Sprinkle everything with citric acid, which naturally brightens and boosts the effect of the baking soda. Finally, pour in hot water. Watch the mixture fizz. That's when the ingredients start penetrating the fabric and breaking down the grime. Stir it all with a wooden spoon and let the socks soak for a few minutes. Then toss them into the washer with your white laundry and run a gentle cycle. Take them out and see the results. Clean, fresh, and bright white, like brand new. No scrubbing, no expensive bleach. Try this trick and say goodbye to dingy gray socks forever.